setting up your meeting for
Meeting
Facebook
is
Live.
now streaming live on Facebook. I can see live on
आ गया क्या?
Facebook. Zoom पे दिख रहा है. I'll check on my phone. Phone पे भी आया नहीं है.
Redirecting to Facebook.
Okay, आया. Is live now Mumbai today. Arun and I will be discussing and Amit tagged in a video. दो notification आया है. ठीक है. Is live now and tagged in a video. Okay, उसमें वाले में click कर. So we are on FB live. हाँ मैं. I can see.
Are we live?
Yeah, we're there. Okay, I'll share this. So we are. I'll just drop this. Is live now Mumbai today. Arun and I are discussing and Amit tagged in a video. So I shared this post. Amay is live now and tagged in a video.
Why am I hearing two places? But
yeah. No, I'm just changing it. I just kept this voice. So we are on FB Live, but let me see if my friends can see us.
yeah, just give us 1 minute. We're just starting the live, guys. We will be available soon.
So Chanda's got notification because she's your friend, but let me just see, if anybody else.
Just check it properly.
Arvind. My cousin didn't got any notification, so I doubt.
Okay. Is it coming anywhere?
I'll ask Chanda. I'll ask my wife. Let me see.
Yeah, just ask whoever you want to ask, so we come to know. Okay, because I'm getting it live on Facebook. Guys, can you just leave us if the audio video is clear? And so we can begin. We'll be beginning at 8 o'clock. We're just setting up priorly. So if anybody is here and can let us know, that would really be appreciated. Okay.
Yeah, Amay?
Yes, Arun.
Okay. I don't know. I mean, they still cannot see this notification. So.
Is it getting shared on your page? Okay, Arun, Chanda can see you, and the video audio is also clear.
But thing is, Chanda is, also a friend of yours. So I doubt whether she got notification from my profile or yours. So.
Okay. Can you ask somebody who is not a mutual friend if there is somebody? Guys, we are just setting up in like 2 minutes. We'll be beginning at 8 o'clock sharp. We are just setting the technical aspects of it. So just give us 5 minutes. Till then, whoever is there on Facebook, can you just let us know if the audio video is clear so that we don't get disturbance, because we want the live to go smooth today. So whoever is on Facebook, please let us know.
Yeah, she's saying that no, it's from my profile. So I think people can see it's from my profile also. So I think we're good to go.
Are we good to go?
Yeah, that's okay.
I'm just waiting for somebody to comment. There are like 4 or 5. Okay, Mandeep has written loud and clear on Facebook. So I guess, Arun, today we are in a better position than we were earlier.
Yeah. Mandeep Burmi. Okay, I know him. Yes, he's a friend of mine. So if you can see, means we're good to go. Yeah.
All right. So I think that is a good. So good evening, guys, and welcome today to our third session on the power of the mind. I'm Dr. Amey Parekh, a dentist from Mumbai, and also a counseling psychologist, art therapist, and now a certified life coach from Rise Academy. And with me is Captain Arun Yadav, who will now be talking a little bit. We'll be recapping what we have done so far, and then we'll actually begin with the topic for today. That is the power of your mind. So we will be talking about what does the mind do. Last time we spoke about the differences between the two, but today we'll actually understand how the mind works. So we'd love to hear from you guys. We love to hear any comments that you all have, any questions that you have. In between, I'll be checking my phone for the comments, so I'll try and answer as much as I can. So until then, guys, I hope you all will share this video to all your friends, put it in your groups, put it on your page, put it everywhere so that people know that we are live. And because today we are both there. So please do share, please do get people here. We'd love to have a lot of viewers today. So that's the genuine request from my side. And Arun, I think we are good to go because we've got people saying that everybody can see and hear us clearly today.
Yeah.
So I think
All
let's not waste too much
we'll
time.
begin at 8, or shall we?
So until then, guys, if you all have any questions, or if you all have not watched our earlier lives, then please go ahead, go to my Facebook page, go to Arun's Facebook page, and you will be able to see our previous lives where we have covered everything. We have started the introduction, and then we have discussed about the two different minds. So if you all have missed something, don't worry. Today, after the live gets over, please go watch. Okay, we'd love to hear from you guys. We love to, because we were sharing information, and the more feedback we get, the better we can also get. So please do that. Okay, Arun, are we good?
Yeah, all set for today.
All set
Finally,
today.
I'm back. Last two session I was trying very hard for the internet connection, but I couldn't get stable internet connection. But thank God. So hopefully this session goes well, and I make some difference to people's life. That's the aim here. So
Awesome,
am I clear, right?
Very clear, Arun.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay.
So
Guys, whoever is on Facebook, please keep commenting so that we know that the audio video is running smooth and that you all can actually see us, hear us. And we'll be taking a little pause in between because the live gets streamed. There's a little lag by about 30 to 40 seconds before it comes on Facebook. So in case we pause, don't worry. It's just because of the streaming. All right.
Amay, there was few people registered for Zoom also, no? So I don't know if they joined.
They've not joined in yet. That's not a problem.
Right. Yeah.
Anyways, we're starting at 8, so it's about a minute left. And but we got 7 viewers already on the Facebook page, so I think that's pretty good.
Yeah. So let's start anyway, Amay. And good evening, everyone, once again. And thank you so much for joining us and encouraging our work. So I would like to again revise what we have done in our last session. We talked about the differences between the conscious mind and the subconscious mind, जागृत मन और अर्ध जागृत मन, हिंदी में अगर हम समझना चाहें इसको तो. और हमने differences में देखा था कि जो हमारा conscious mind है, which has got only 10% of power, and our subconscious mind has got 90% power. And वो हमने एक बहुत ही अच्छे एग्जाम्पल से समझा था, आइसबर्ग के एग्जाम्पल से, जहाँ मैंने बताया था कि जब टाइटैनिक में एक्चुअली they could see the tip of the iceberg, but that's not it. The huge, actually 90% of iceberg was below the ocean. So that's like a subconscious mind. 90% is untapped. So our motive and intention is to make people realize that there is something which is we are not using it to our full potential. So that was one example which I gave. And then there's one more, that suppose I'm a captain. If I'm a captain on board and I give some order to my crew, they follow it. They don't usually ask question. And then don't ask question because I know what I have to do. So our conscious mind is like, again, a boss or a captain, and a subordinate, or the subconscious mind is the subordinate, or who just follows order, or like the crew of the ship. Okay. So the boss just gives the order. So our conscious mind just gives the order कि मुझे क्या चाहिए, एक बड़ा घर चाहिए, एक बड़ी गाड़ी चाहिए, या success, जो भी चाहिए. The subconscious never asks questions, it just follows it. Okay. And then Amay explained us last time beautifully with an example of gardener and the fertile land. That's the best example I've ever heard. मुझे समझने में बिल्कुल भी उसमें doubt नहीं हुआ, because gardener just plants the seed, whatever seed it could be, like apple seed हो सकता है, it could be mango, it could be any plant. The fertile land never asks questions. वो कभी question नहीं पूछता, जो आपने बोया है वही आपको बड़ा करके देगा. And हमें उसमें क्या करना होता है? कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ पानी डालना होता है ना? इट्स बेसिकली द वर्क ऑफ द नेचर और द यूनिवर्स. So subconscious mind is that powerful. You know, it actually covers the universe. So whatever seed you sow, so shall you reap. You know, it's written in the Bible, it's written in the Gita, everywhere. So, and you know, we also talked about that the conscious mind works when we are awake. Like now, we are awake, but subconscious mind works 24 hours. You know, even if you're sleeping, it works. So that's one of the, you know, superpower. आप नहीं जगे हो फिर भी आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड काम कर रहा है ना. सो अभी कौन सा माइंड काम कर रहा होगा मैं पूछूं तो आप लोग क्या जवाब दोगे? अमित.
लेट्स सी हम लोग वेट करते हैं रिजल्ट क्या बोलते हैं लोग. So guys, do you think the conscious mind is awake, the subconscious mind is awake right now? Who's going to give an answer? We'll wait for 1 minute. Let's see if people have answered. You can write CM for conscious mind and SCM for subconscious mind. Which mind is awake right now when we are talking? So Mandeep's understood. Very smart, Mandeep. Okay, that's exactly right. The answer is both.
Wow.
That's,
Great.
that's perfect.
Yeah, actually, because subconscious working all the time, and conscious mind works when we are awake. So perfectly right. And you know, so now today I'll be talking more about the powers of conscious mind, and Amay will be talking more about the power of subconscious mind. You know, he's a doctor, psychologist, so he's a better guy. I'm a very logical person, so it's conscious mind is good for me. Okay, so let's begin with the powers of our minds. You know, power of conscious mind now. So first power I feel the power of conscious mind is the power of thinking. जो सोचने की क्षमता है वो कॉन्शियस माइंड की है. अब कोई भी एक सिचुएशन में यू नो आई हैव अ चॉइस टू थिंक वेदर पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, राइट? अगर सिचुएशन चाहे कैसी भी हो, मैं एंड आई हैव अ चॉइस कि मैं उसे पॉजिटिव में लूं. सपोज आई लूज अ जॉब. ओके, ऐसे देखा जाए तो इट्स ऑफ कोर्स इट्स नॉट गुड, बट कहते हैं ना कि एक कुछ अगर दरवाजा बंद होता है तो दूसरा दरवाजा खुल जाता है. मीन देयर समथिंग अवेट्स यू. सो इट्स अप टू मी कि मैं उसे कैसे लेता हूँ, है ना. द पावर ऑफ चॉइस. और एक एग्जांपल मैं यहाँ पे ना समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ, किसी को समझ आ गया कि अगर मेरे कंधे पे एक भालू है, दो भालू हैं, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग का भालू और नेगेटिव थिंकिंग का भालू. सो अगर मैं पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग के भालू को फीड करता रहूंगा ना तो ये स्ट्रांग होता रहेगा. सो अगर मैं अपने आप को ये दे रहा हूँ, ऑप्शन दे रहा हूँ कि मैं पॉजिटिव सोचना है, तो अगर मुझे पॉजिटिव सोचना है तो मेरा ये माइंड है ना इतना पावरफुल है कि मुझे इतने रीजंस देगा कि क्यों ये सही है, कि व्हाई यू हैव टू बी पॉजिटिव. और ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी इफ यू से कि यार ये तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है और ये सब इतनी प्रॉब्लम है, so it will give more reasons than positive thinking कि क्यों गलत है. The mind is so powerful. So it's it's power of choice. और हमें क्या चूज करना है, it is up to us, है ना. So that is one of the power which very I feel it's very essential to understand कि हमें चूज क्या करना चाहिए, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग और नेगेटिव थिंकिंग के बीच में. एंड इफ यू थिंक पॉजिटिव, so the mind gives you more and more. I'm repeating it repeatedly so that people get to know.
Exactly, Arun. Perfectly said. मतलब the power of choice, the power of choosing कि हम लोग को करना क्या है, हम लोग को कैसे respond करना है, whether we want to choose the negative thought or whether we want to choose the positive thought.
Correct.
Why don't you tell them about how many thoughts we get, Arun?
Yeah. So can anybody? Acha, Amay has already told us about this in last session, but I'll just remind it. I don't ask question now. अभी मैं सीधा ही बता देता हूँ कि 60 to 90,000 thoughts we get in a day. 60,000 average and 90,000 जो ज्यादा ही सोचते हैं. और मैं बता सकता हूँ अपने अनुभव से कि 60,000 में बहुत सारे नेगेटिव थॉट्स रहते हैं, मोस्टली नेगेटिव रहते हैं. बिकॉज हमें एजुकेशन सिस्टम में देखो ना, टीचर भी करेक्ट कर रहा है तो हमें वही दिखता है कि हमने गलत करा है ना. बचपन से ही हमारा वही चाहता है क्या गलत है. हमारी ऑलरेडी सबकॉन्शियस ट्यून है गलत फाइंड आउट करने के लिए, नेगेटिविटी फाइंड आउट करने के लिए, या ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो हमें जैसा this is the power of our conscious mind, and you know we have a power of choice, whether it be positive or negative. So can you explain now, people, you know, what's the power of subconscious mind? If I, you know, if अगर मेरा काम है सिर्फ ये पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव से अगर मेरा सब कुछ सही हो जाएगा तो फिर सबकॉन्शियस किधर पिक्चर में आ रहा है? So can you just explain us?
So, thank you, Arun, for that perfect example of starting the first power of the conscious mind, the power of choosing. You know, because our entire life works on choices. हम लोग डिसीजन अगर नहीं ले सकते तो आगे कुछ एक्चुअली कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है. मतलब आपको लेफ्ट जाना है, राइट जाना है, आप अगर कुछ नहीं करोगे तो बीच में ही अटक जाओगे. So exactly, the power of choice is the first power of the conscious mind. So then what is the power of the subconscious mind? You know, मतलब ये हम लोग इतना सब 90% पावर है, ये कर सकता है, वो कर सकता है, तो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड कर क्या सकता है? So let me give you an example that's relevant to me. So I have repeatedly said I love to paint. You know, मैंने पहले भी बोला है, अभी भी बोल रहा हूँ. अभी मैं डिसाइड करता हूँ, चल आज मुझे मूड है, मैं पेंट कर लेता हूँ. मैं क्या करता हूँ, ब्रश लेता हूँ, पेपर लेता हूँ, कोई कुछ टॉपिक डिसाइड करता हूँ. टॉपिक डिसाइड करना किसने किया है? कॉन्शियस माइंड ने. कलर वलर गैदर करने का काम किसने किया है? कॉन्शियस माइंड ने. लेकिन जब मैं पेंटिंग चालू करता हूँ, ओके, मे बी आई हैव सम आइडिया ऑफ व्हाट आई वांट और मे बी आई हैव सम फाइनल इमेज, लेकिन वो कैसे करना है, एक एक स्टेप थोड़ी मुझे पता है. एवरी टाइम आई डू अ पेंटिंग, okay, it's a new experience, yeah. Matlab, even after so much of working so many times, having so much experience or whatever you call it, practice, every painting is new. So when I start coloring, I pick up a color, okay, and I start doing it. Just one second, I think somebody. Okay. So when I start painting and I pick up a color, suddenly I feel नहीं यार, थोड़ा अपने को ये कलर डाले तो और अच्छा दिखेगा. You know, ऐसे चलो ये थोड़ा डार्क कर देते, ये थोड़ा लाइट कर देते, ये यूज करते हैं. So what is all this coming from? Where is all this coming from? The creativity. Where is this creativity coming from? This creativity is coming from the subconscious mind. जो आइडिया बोलते हैं ना हम लोग, आइडिया आ रही है, अंदर से एक आइडिया आ रही है, जो क्रिएशन हो रहा है, that is coming from the subconscious mind. Let me give you a very very relevant example, guys. ये जो साइंटिस्ट रहते हैं या फिर कोई भी डिस्कवरी करते हैं, हम लोग इतना पढ़ते हैं, इसने ये डिस्कवर किया, इसने ये इन्वेंट किया, इसने ये बनाया. सबसे फेमस एग्जांपल, आई पुट समथिंग अप, समथिंग कम्स डाउन. वो इफ यू थ्रो समथिंग अप इट हैज टू कम डाउन. क्या लॉ है ये? एनीबडी, व्हाट लॉ इज दिस? इफ आई थ्रो समथिंग अप इट हैज टू कम डाउन.
Viewers are very smart.
Anybody, what law is this? We just wait for 1 minute for an answer and then we'll proceed. Let's see if somebody is replying. Gravity. Very good. Perfect. So the law of gravitation, universal law hai. Now let me tell you, take you back a little bit in history. Okay. Was the apple falling even before Newton discovered it? और पहले वो हवा में उड़ रहा था? No, but why was Newton the only person who discovered the, you know, कि भाई एप्पल गिर रहा है, ग्रेविटी जैसा कुछ है. That aha moment, the eureka moment, और ये ना बत्ती चालू हो जाना. That creativity, that insight, that comes from the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is supposed to be connected to something called as the infinite intelligence. Okay, infinite intelligence क्या रहता है? जो what we are in a body we have study is on the conscious experience. But whatever you know, sometimes like we have discussed this before also कि if you're thinking about a friend वो उसका कॉल आ जाता है, okay, or you know sometimes you just know कि भाई ये होने वाला है या ये हो गया है. You get this kind of ऐसे अंदर से एक फीलिंग जैसा आता है. So this idea, this feeling, okay, and the ability to make something, to create that idea, that creativity is the power of the subconscious mind. So even when you decide a goal, मतलब अगर हम लोग ने conscious mind से decide किया है कि भाई मुझे आज like let's see like how Arun had decided कि उसको 10 किलो कम करना है. That was his goal. Now, when he set that goal, okay, I'm telling you his example because he has told me this and it really makes a lot of relevance. I tell you mine also. कि जब हम लोग एक डिसीजन लेते हैं तो वो डिसीजन के बाद क्या करना है ना कैसे करना है दैट आइडिया मतलब आज ये कर लेते आज वो फोन कॉल कर देते आज ये कर लेते all that comes from the subconscious mind. So the subconscious mind is the creative mind.
That's how I guess the
Yes, yes.
poets write their poems and the artists draw like you draw. मतलब जितने you know Wright brothers, how they discover.
Very good example, Arun. Why don't you tell that?
Oh, okay. So Wright brothers, I mean they actually invented we say the flights और उससे पहले भी जो था ना मतलब birds, they actually saw the birds. So idea came from outside only. बट वो अंदर से कुछ आवाज है कि हाँ भाई अगर वो उड़ सकता है तो हम क्यों नहीं उड़ सकते है ना. वैसे सबमरीन का है जहाँ पे फिश है अंदर तो हम लोग अंदर से जाके क्यों नहीं कर सकते. सो दैट्स हाउ दी आइडिया ऑफ द जनरेशन ऑफ पोएम्स. देखो पोएट्स कितनी ब्यूटीफुल क्रिएशन आते हैं, कितने अच्छे अच्छी पोएम्स कहाँ से आ रही हैं. कॉन्शियस माइंड से तो नहीं आ रही. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स कमिंग फ्रॉम सबकॉन्शियस. सो हमें just continue please.
Yeah, that's exactly, Arun, because you're the captain. I think this is a very good example, even from nature we get inspired and that inspiration actually connects one dot to another dot is by the subconscious mind. Now, this actually starts setting in different ways, supposing you suddenly are in a train, like I know we not traveled for so long, but you traveled somewhere and suddenly you feel like ये आदमी से बात कर लेता हूँ या फिर आज ये फोन कॉल कर देता हूँ. Okay, so the subconscious mind is able to create and attract opportunities, events, people. It is able to bring things in your life, but to notice it and to do anything is the conscious mind that Arun will of course be telling later. Now we have been talking so many times about this conscious and subconscious mind, लेकिन ये I think it's high time we prove that something like this exists. What do you say, Arun? मतलब हम लोग सिर्फ ऐसे भाषण देंगे तो कुछ फायदा नहीं है. I think it's high time you guys experience the fact that the subconscious mind is there. So how many of you are actually willing to try something today? A small demonstration of the subconscious mind being there. We're waiting for responses on Facebook, guys. We'll wait for 1 minute. How many of you are excited to actually try out something? We just wait for 1 minute, Arun. Because there's a lag here. Okay?
I'm excited.
Somebody has said yes. Let's see. Guys, we're waiting for yeses, okay? Arun, we need to manifest a yes now.
Yes, I'm all set.
All right. Let's
become good at visualization, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, if you all are watching, okay, let's do a small demonstration to prove the power of the subconscious mind, or the existence of the subconscious mind. So for the next say 3 to 4 minutes, I want you to not be disturbed. अगर mobile है तो जरा side में रख दूं. We first center ourselves and we'll then be able to experience the exercise much better. Okay, I'm not going to be checking the mobile phone immediately. We'll do the exercise and then I'll check in between. But for now, the first thing I want you to do is put your phone side, everything, but any random distractions on the side. Rub your palms. Okay, I want you to rub your palms. I generally ask you to do this because it helps loosen up. If there is some tension in your fingers. Okay, you can just move your fingers a little faster. Free your hands. Okay. This is a good way to start because it helps your body to start feeling a little more relaxed. Whenever we want to work with the subconscious mind, we need to be very relaxed. The moment you are stressed, the moment you are active, your conscious mind takes over. The moment you are relaxed, conscious mind can be put to rest. इसके लिए हम लोग ने पहले भी बोला है कि when you wake up and when you are about to sleep, the subconscious mind is the most active because that time you are relaxed. Okay, so the first thing right now, since we are doing an exercise with the hands, I am just relaxing the hands. All right. Thank you, Yogita ji. Thank you so much. Okay, now guys, I want you all to go a little back into school. If you all have heard what magnets are, I hope you all have heard what magnets are.
Yes.
So what happens? Every magnet has two poles. Okay, everybody's heard every magnet has two poles. Anybody who's not heard? There's a North Pole and there's a South Pole. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So now what happens when two opposite poles come together? Arun, why don't you tell us what happens when two opposite poles come together?
Two opposite attract.
Attract. Perfect. And what happens when two identical poles come together?
Repel each.
Repulsion. ओके तो इतना तो क्लियर है. एक नॉर्थ पोल एक साउथ पोल आएगा तो अट्रैक्शन होगा, और एक नॉर्थ पोल या फिर एक साउथ पोल साथ में आया तो रिपल्शन होगा. इतना अपने सबके क्लियर है. एवरीबडी इज क्लियर विद दिस. ओके, दिस इज important because the exercise is based on that. So if you don't know this, your subconscious mind is not going to understand what to do. Okay, now we'll take like 1 minute where we are just breathing. Okay, breathing in and out. Okay, and just relaxing. Then I start the exercise. You all have to follow me in the exercise. So just do what I do, and then we will ask you questions in video. Okay, so for now, just calm yourself down. Okay, if you all want to again shake, just shake. Then just take a deep breath in and release. Deep breath in and release. Try to just focus on your breathing. Okay, one more time. Okay, जितना आराम से relax हो सकते हैं, let's try and relax. Okay. Now what I want you to do is bring both your hands in front of you. Keep this much distance. अभी ये दिख रहा है मेरा head है, ना मैं distance रख रहा हूँ. Okay, you can keep it as far, near, whatever, but just try to keep them parallel to each other. All right, everybody is good. I'll again repeat. Take your left hand and your right hand, keep them parallel to each other. What I do is I tend to take the distance between my two heads and just keep that much distance. It's easier to work. So there is no question of kitna karna hai, kitna nahi karna hai. Now, very carefully, okay, you all need to have a little faith in me, guys. If you all can have a little faith, then this exercise works beautifully. एक बार मान लो भाई subconscious mind है तो exercise अच्छे से जाएगा. Alright. Now what I want you to do is listen. Okay, so you all will have to close your eyes. So please listen carefully. And whatever I am saying, you will have to repeat loudly and with full belief, 100% belief कि हाँ भाई चलो ये करना है, ये ट्राई करना है और हम लोग 100% belief के साथ कर रहे हैं. So close your eyes. Okay, just first if you want, mark where your hands are, so that you don't move, and then you can close your eyes. After closing your eyes, you will repeat what I am saying. My left hand is the North Pole. My right hand is the South Pole. My left hand is the North Pole. My right hand is the South Pole. Just visualize that your left hand is the North Pole of a magnet and the right hand is the South Pole of a magnet. Say this loudly. My left hand is the North Pole. My right hand is the South Pole. My left hand is the North Pole. My right hand is the South Pole. Start feeling a strong attraction between the two hands. My left hand is the North Pole. My right hand is the South Pole. My left hand is the North Pole. My right hand is the South Pole. Start feeling a pull. Your hands are coming closer, 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 closer. You're just able to feel a strong sensation. Just keep your eyes closed. Again, my left hand is the North Pole. My right hand is the South Pole. They're coming closer, closer, closer. You can feel a very strong pull. Feel the pull. Feel it, feel it, feel it. Let your hands just come close. Don't pause. Just let it go, 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 go. Let them come as close as you can. Closer, 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 closer. And open your eyes.
Oh, wow.
So,
came very close.
Okay, I'm now separating my hands because I feel very strong attraction. But I want somebody has anybody tried this? Anybody in the audience who's tried this? We'd love to hear some feedback, guys. Anybody who's tried this?
Before anybody could give, I'll just tell you, I felt a strong attraction between my hands.
That's awesome. Okay, Ajit has written that it's yes. Anybody else who's felt something? Anybody else who's tried? Chanda said, wow, that's awesome. Hansraj said yes. That's cool. That's cool. So, guys, now tell me, was there any magnet in your hand? हाथ में कुछ था क्या? Okay, Angela, that's good, Dr. Angela. I hope that that was a good experience. We still have second part of the exercise still to do, but that's awesome, guys. That's really cool. Now let's try the reverse of it. Okay, let's try the reverse of it. So everybody, once again, loosen your hands. Okay. Same thing. Bring your hands one arm distance or whatever, one head distance is what I call it. Okay. Parallel to each other. Just take 2-3 long deep breaths. Okay. Again, close your eyes, mark the distance and close your eyes. And again, with full 100% belief that this is going to work, start repeating after me. My left hand is the North Pole. My right hand is the North Pole. My left hand is the North Pole. My right hand is the North Pole. My left hand is the North Pole. My right hand is the North Pole. My left hand is the North Pole. My right hand is the North Pole. Start feeling a lot of repulsion, as if their two hands just want to separate from each other. There's so much repulsion. My left hand is the North Pole. My right hand is the North Pole. My left hand is the North Pole. My right hand is the North Pole. Feel the repulsion. That hands are just moving away from each other. So much force, so much repulsion. You just can't get them to come close to each other. They're just moving away from each other. So much resistance. My left hand is the North Pole. My right hand is the North Pole. My left hand is the North Pole. My right hand is the North Pole. Feel them just going away from each other. There's so much force coming in between. You can feel the push, feel the push, feel the push. And open your eyes. So, did your hands move apart? Arun?
Yeah, very little, but yes. I could feel that traction was pretty ज़्यादा, but repulsion थोड़ा कम था.
हम लोग लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन करते रहते हैं ना इसके लिए.
Yeah.
But anybody else, guys? Anybody felt the repulsion? Okay, let's see if anybody felt the repulsion. Arvind says yes. Anybody else who's tried this? Anybody else felt some repulsion? कुछ तो feel हुआ हाथ में. It may not have been necessarily a push, but you might have felt something in your hands. Did you feel something in your hands? Really work but little bit. That's perfectly fine. It doesn't. हम लोग actual magnet नहीं ला रहे कि वो इतना distance जाए. But कुछ भी हुआ क्या? मतलब that is the point. कुछ actually एहसास हुआ क्या?
Really appreciate guys for the replies. Yeah.
So attraction अपना audience भी कैसे ऐसा attraction ही मानते हैं. Repulsion किसी को करना ही नहीं है. That's perfect. So guys, I want to ask you a very simple question. Where were the magnets? Was there any magnet? Was there any magnet? हाथ में कुछ था क्या? But if you felt something, okay, then where did that feeling come from? That feeling came from the subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind actually is so creative, it doesn't understand the difference between reality and fantasy. That's why we are able to create things. When we say हम लोग manifest कर देंगे, ये कर देंगे, वो कर देंगे, तो actually ये कहाँ से आ रहा है? Because your subconscious mind cannot differentiate between reality and fantasy. Now, some of you may not have experienced anything, and that is also perfectly fine. It doesn't mean that your subconscious mind is not working. It just means that your conscious mind is a little more active. Okay? थोड़ा बहुत जब once you start using it and you start realizing हाँ भाई ये हो सकता है, तो अपना जो कॉन्शियस माइंड का एक बैरियर रहता है वो थोड़ा हट जाता है, and then you start experiencing. So it's perfectly fine if you didn't experience anything. That's what you want to try and tell you. If you felt awesome, if you didn't feel, still awesome. Okay. So this was just a small demo to show the power of the subconscious mind. It's okay if you felt you didn't feel, that's perfectly fine. Hopefully in our further exercises, as you listen to us, थोड़ा और convince हम लोग आपको कर पाएंगे, and we'll be able to prove this actually to you all. So again, Arun, that was a small exercise into the demonstration of the subconscious mind and how we can actually trick the mind into believing whatever is real.
Yeah,
That is the power of creativity. That is the power of the subconscious mind to believe, create, and manifest. So over to you, Arun. Arun's the more grounded one, so I think Arun needs to be now getting you all back on track. So over
yes,
to you,
yes.
Arun.
Thank you, Amay, for this beautiful demonstrations to explain us the power of subconscious. So if we believe that we can, then of course we can. कहते हैं ना कि if you believe that you can do anything, you'll do all that's necessary. अगर हम believe ही नहीं करते हैं तो फिर हम जो necessary है वो करेंगे ही नहीं. So the both way we are right. So and now just back to our conscious mind, the logical mind. You know, those of you who actually couldn't feel the attraction or the repulsion, उनका conscious mind बहुत active था. That's the reason. So when I said relax yourself, relax, take a deep long breath, and then that means that we are actually calming our conscious mind so that we connect to our subconscious mind. That's what Amay was trying to relax us for. So so now the power of, again, let's back to the conscious mind, where the power is the power of applying logic, judgment, analysis, and the reasoning. So these are all the powers of conscious mind. जैसे कि हमने कल से हम लोग ने हर जगह नोटिफिकेशन डाला कि और एड्स डाले कि we'll be coming live on Facebook. So many of you guys have checked कि देखा होगा कि यार ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. I mean, थोड़ा लॉजिक लगाया कि क्या बताने वाले हैं हमको, है ना. बहुत सोचा होगा कि वर्थ भी है क्या इनके लाइव में जाना, क्या सिखा देंगे ऐसा कि हम लोग का जीवन बदल जाएगा, या ऐसा क्या हम लोग सीख जाएंगे जो हमें नहीं पता है. तो कप किसी लोगों का कप पूरा भरा रहता है, तो अनलेस until it's somebody empties it, we cannot pour more. So अगर कुछ सीखना होता है तो मुझे लगता है थोड़ा सा कप खाली रखे, so that थोड़ा सा भर सके कहीं से. मुझे लगता है नॉलेज तो ऐसी चीज है कि जहाँ से मिल जाए वहां से लेनी चाहिए अगर अपने काम की चीज है तो. So वही है, द लॉजिक एंड द रीजनिंग. अभी मुझे जैसे सपोज एक घर लेना है, मैं ये बहुत बेसिक एग्जांपल हमेशा देता हूँ. मुझे घर लेना है और अगर मैं कहूँ कि आई नीड अ पेंट हाउस वर्थ 5 करोड़, तो अभी मेरा लॉजिकली मेरा मतलब ये आएगा ना कि आई कैन नॉट डू इट बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव द सोर्स ऑफ इनकम. मेरे पास पैसे ही नहीं उतने. तो मेरा कॉन्शियस माइंड गोल सेट तो कर रहा है, मगर मेरा सबकॉन्शियस अलाउ कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है, वो मानने को तैयार है कि नहीं अगर, है ना. बट यहाँ पे मैं बताना चाह रहा हूँ सिर्फ कि जो लॉजिक की पावर है, कोई भी कंडीशन में घर खरीदना हो तो मेरे घर में हवा कहाँ से आएगी और उसकी विंडो कहाँ होगी, टॉयलेट का डायरेक्शन कहाँ, किचन होगा, तो हम ये लॉजिक लगाते हैं, एनालिसिस करते हैं, रीजन करते हैं, है ना. और मुझे गाड़ी लेनी है, कार लेना है, तो कौन से कलर की होगी, कौन सी कार होगी. तो ये जो हम लोग लॉजिक, अगेन एनालिसिस, रीजनिंग, होंडा सिटी चाहिए या स्कोडा चाहिए या मर्सिडीज. सो ये वाली जो पावर है ये है कॉन्शियस माइंड की, बिकॉज यू नो व्हाट यू वांट और आप कॉन्शियसली डिसीजन लेते हो. मुझे ये गाड़ी चाहिए, ये घर चाहिए, ये स्कूल में एडमिशन लेना है ना, ये कोचिंग क्लास जाना है सो दैट आई गेट इनटू आईआईटी और आईआईएम, है ना. जजमेंट का एक बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल मैं दे सकता हूँ कि जब हम कार पार्क करते हैं, है ना, तो हमें एकदम परफेक्टली कार को पार्क करना होता है. वो स्लॉट में, कभी मॉल में जाएंगे तो घुमा के रिवर्स में उसे पार्क करना है. सो दैट वी आर जजिंग कितना डिस्टेंस पीछे है. अभी आजकल तो रियर मिरर भी आ गए हैं और बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो that helps us to actually park the car within the slot. So that is the power of our conscious mind. And यू नो मैं सो एक बार मैंने लॉजिक किया सब, मतलब जैसे मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा था कि लोगों ने हमारा नोटिफिकेशन देखा विल बी कमिंग लाइव, उसके बाद सोचा कि यार जाएं या नहीं जाएं। तो अब आप लोग आए हैं, जो लोग अटेंड कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, जो लोग सुन रहे हैं, दे एक्चुअली मेड डिसीजन टू वेदर whether listen to us or not listen. So that power also lies with the conscious mind, है ना। पहले मैंने सारा लॉजिक लगाया कि कुछ सिखाएंगे या कुछ ऐसे टाइम पास करने वाले हैं, फिर मैंने डिसीजन लिया कि हाँ भाई मुझे जाना चाहिए, मे भी कुछ सीखने को मिल जाए। सो दैट्स हाउ पीपल आर हियर। सो दैट्स द पावर ऑफ, अगेन द पावर ऑफ कॉन्शियस माइंड। और उसके बाद वैसे ही जैसे डिसीजन मेकिंग में गाड़ी खरीदनी है और घर खरीदना है, तो हमें डिसीजन तो लेना ही पड़ेगा ना, कौन सी सोसाइटी में रहना है, कौन सी कार, और फिर एक्शन लेना है। तो एक्शन लेना भी बहुत जरूरी है, तो वो भी कॉन्शियस माइंड का एक पार्ट है। अगर मैंने सब कुछ कर लिया, सब कुछ रेडी है, मेरे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड जो कि मैंने बताया इतना पावरफुल है, सारी अपॉर्चुनिटी सब कुछ ला के दिया, और मैं अगर एक्शन ही नहीं ले रहा हूँ, तो मेरा वो ड्रीम फुलफिल होगा कैसे, मेरा वो गोल अचीव कैसे होगा। एक यहाँ पे मुझे एक कहानी याद आ जाती है कि एक आदमी था, वो भगवान से ना बहुत दिनों से कह रहा था, भगवान मेरी लॉटरी लगा देना, लॉटरी लगाना। 1-2 महीने तक वो बोलता रहा, डेली प्रेयर करता था कि मेरी लॉटरी लगा देना, लॉटरी लगा देना। भगवान भी देख रहे होंगे ऊपर से, कुछ हुआ नहीं, 2 महीने हो गए। फिर वो कहता है यार कुछ काम तो कर नहीं रहा है। तो क्या किया कि फिर कहानी उसने फिर से बोला कि यार लेट्स ट्राई फॉर अनदर 3 मंथ्स। तो 2-3 महीने और उसने प्रे किया कि गॉड लॉटरी लगा देना, लॉटरी लगा देना। फिर भी काम नहीं किया। वो मतलब भगवान बोल रहा है यार ये मांगे जा रहा है, मांगे जा रहा है, और ये बंदा मांगे ही जा रहा है, लिटरली मांगे जा रहा है। तो एक और ट्राई मारता हूँ। 3 महीने हो गए, अब भगवान ने भी बोला कि भाई जाके तू टिकट तो खरीद। तो लिटरली हम सब वही है, एक्शन अगर नहीं लेंगे तो नथिंग्स गोना वर्क। इवन इफ somebody tries to help us, it's we have who have to take action, है ना। हमारे लिए एक जिन रॉन का बहुत ही फेमस है कि यू नो nobody, you cannot hire someone else to have to do your push ups। अगर मुझे 6 पैक चाहिए तो मुझे करना पड़ेगा, तो एक्शन भी मुझे ही लेना पड़ेगा, है ना। मैं हमारे को नहीं बोलूंगा भाई आज मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा, तू जरा मेरे पुशअप्स मार दे। इट्स नॉट गोना वर्क दैट वे। सो that's the power of a conscious mind, you have to take action, we have to take
ये गोल
action।
तेरा ही हो सकता है अरुण, मेरा तो नहीं।
या है, मेरा गोल है। आई हैवंट डिक्लेयर्ड इन पब्लिक बट यस आई वांट टू हैव अ 6 पैक एब्स बाय 17th October 2021 4 p.m.
Awesome, awesome.
So yeah, so that was the power of the conscious mind कि मैं consciously decision make कर रहा हूँ। जैसे कि health wise है, अगर मैंने decision लिया कि मुझे 6 पैक abs चाहिए, तो it is मैंने decision ले लिया, अब action लेना, exercise मुझे करनी। तो मुझे ये बहुत तकलीफ होती थी पहले, जब कि मुझे सुबह उठाया नहीं जाता था। 5 बजे का अलार्म लगाया, स्नूज के बैठा, 6 बज गया, कर रहे जा रहा हूँ। लेकिन when I understood the power of subconscious mind, देन मैं उठ भी पा रहा हूँ, एक्सरसाइज भी कर पा रहा हूँ। दैट्स हाउ व्हेन आवर कॉन्शियस माइंड एंड सबकॉन्शियस माइंड दोनों एक ही पिक्चर में है ना, देयर इज द मिरेकल, देन व्हाट्स द मिरेकल हैपेंस। हमारा मेरा तो यही मानना है कि जब हमारा कॉन्शियस माइंड और सबकॉन्शियस एक ही लेवल में आ जाए या एक ही चीज सोचने लगे, तो फिर हम कुछ भी अचीव कर सकते हैं हमें। So that's I just try to explain people with some examples of conscious mind. So अगर जैसे सपोज हमें मुझे हेल्थ अपनी बॉडी बनानी, अच्छी बनानी है, तो हाउ द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड विल हेल्प मी। कैन यू जस्ट टेल मी कि मैंने सब कुछ किया, जैसे कि मैंने डिसीजन लिया कि भाई आई वांट टू गेट फिटर, आई वांट टू वे 60 kgs, so how subconscious will help me, can you explain us?
Yeah, Arun. So I exactly, now if you have made the goal, because it happens, when we make a goal, suddenly आपको टीवी पे, न्यूज़पेपर में कुछ हेल्थ की एडवाइस आने लगेगी। आप देखोगे कि आपको हेल्थ की टिप्स अचानक से आ रही है। घर पे भी अचानक से खाना ऐसा बनने लगेगा ना कि भाई इससे अपना वेट कम हो जाएगा।
करेला।
ये बोल सकती है कि भाई आज से ऑयल नहीं खाना है। You start seeing these various changes coming and you don't know why. From inside also you start actually noticing things कि भाई if I do this I'll get better benefits, और suddenly you कह के मैं आज एक्सरसाइज में ये कर लूँ या ऐसा टाइप का एक्सरसाइज कर लूँ, या somebody will just randomly tell you अच्छा अरुण आज ये वॉक पे चले जाते हैं। So all these weird things start happening and you don't even realize it. And then you start noticing, actually this is going towards my goal. So in your case, supposing it's going towards the goal of losing weight, you must have started noticing all this. What am I right, Arun?
Yes, perfectly. I have been very reluctant to even get up from my bed to go for a walk or to exercise. But when the thought or the picture is absolutely clear कि मुझे ये करना है, I want to achieve this goal. तो क्या होता है? And the power actually lies वहीं पर कि you have to hold that thought. अगर मैं वही अपने पुराने ओल्ड पैटर्न में रहता शायद, तो कभी मैं लूज कर ही नहीं पाता वेट. बट आई हैड केप्ट दिस थॉट फॉर अ कांस्टेंट पीरियड डेली कि ये चीज मुझे करनी है. एंड दैट्स हाउ व्हेन डेली मैं देखता हूँ 6 बजे वो अपनी उस लोकेशन में आया हुआ, मैं शिप पे एक्सरसाइज करता था, ब्रिज विंग में मैं खड़ा होके स्ट्रेचिंग चालू कर देता था ऑटोमेटिकली. आई डोंट नो हाउ. जिस दिन अच्छा फील नहीं होता था ना, उस दिन भी समवेयर अंदर से आवाज आती थी कि भाई कर लेना, योर एम इज सो बिग एंड यू आर नॉट इवन एक्सरसाइजिंग फॉर इवन 5-10 minutes or 10-20 minutes.
Perfectly said, Arun. I think that covers quite a lot of the ability of the conscious mind to actually make a decision, to plan the action and actually execute the action. ये सब conscious mind कर रहा है. But to bring the action into picture, उसके लिए क्या करना है, that is where the subconscious mind is working. And that, guys, is the second main power of the subconscious mind. The inner voice, the inner GPS, what we call it. Let me give you an example. I don't like driving, okay? So I'm not very good at giving you roads, I'm not very good at roads. मतलब मेरे को आधा टाइम तो direction याद भी नहीं रहता. But if I know I have to reach somewhere, let's say I have to go from Kandivali to Navi Mumbai. Now, actually, most people will know the road, but I'm still telling you, I will have to switch on the GPS. Every car either has a GPS or your mobile phone now has Google Maps. बराबर है? Everybody agrees to this? Now, what happens is I want to reach Navi Mumbai, so I want to reach Vashi, suppose. What I do is when I start my journey, the first thing I enter in the destination is Vashi, say sector 1, whatever it is. Okay. Now, what happens? अभी मैंने फोन साइड में रख दिया है, मैंने मेरा ब्लूटूथ लगा दिया है, फोन मुझे दिख भी नहीं रहा है, लेकिन मेरे को एक आवाज आती है, for the next 2 kilometers drive straight. बराबर है? 2 kilometers I drive straight and अचानक से एक और मतलब उसके पहले ऐसे आएगा आवाज, after 200 meters take a left turn. मैंने लेफ्ट लिया. Now continue straight ahead for the next 5 kilometers. एक आवाज बार बार वो गूगल की लेडी की आवाज आ जाती है. What is that noise? That is the direction. That is giving you direction. You know your destination. I know the destination. I don't know the road. But every small step, I'm getting a sign or a direction कि भाई इतना करने के बाद इतना करो. Okay, I can maybe see the map, but right now the phone is on the side. I'm driving. I can't see the phone. So the same way, your subconscious mind is your intuition or your inner GPS. We call it the inner guidance system. मतलब कैसे है, जब हम लोग एक गोल सेट करते हैं, ओके, कॉन्शियसली हम लोग एक गोल, एक डेस्टिनेशन पॉइंट भी डिसाइड कर देते हैं, उसको कैसे पहुंचना है, हाउ डू वी रीच देयर, दैट इज एक्चुअली डिटरमाइंड बाय योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. What it does, it gives you a hint or it gives you a clue कि भाई इतना कर लो. It doesn't show you the entire route at one go. So if you have a big goal, you wonder भाई ये कैसे अचीव होगा, ये कैसे होने वाला है. You don't know the road. What we are trying to say is you don't need to know the road. You just need to know the first step. And when you come to know what is the first step, you need to act on it. अभी गाड़ी मैंने चालू नहीं की और एक्सीलेटर दबाया नहीं तो गाड़ी आगे नहीं बढ़ने वाली. भले मेरे को मैप चालू हो गया है. वो चालू करने का काम is your conscious mind. Okay, so the execution is done by the conscious mind, but the inner voice, the inner gut is called your subconscious mind. So Hansraj has asked something about the failure of students. So Hansraj, we are actually going to cover a lot about failures in our next session, which is on limiting beliefs and how obstacles in our life are tackled. So if you don't mind, we will definitely be covering much more in detail in the next session on this topic. All right. For now, we are just trying to discuss the powers, but the entire next session is going to be on the obstacles that we face in our life. So getting back to track, sorry, uh, the power, the second main power of our subconscious mind is intuition or gut. Okay, it is knowing something. मतलब ऐसे अंदर से आवाज जो आती है ना कि भाई यार ये कर लो, ये कर लो. That is your subconscious mind. Now people ask me what is the difference. अभी when I'm thinking and when I'm knowing, when मेरा gut है, तो फर्क क्या है दोनों में? So when we say thinking is a conscious activity, मतलब क्या आप एक टॉपिक के बारे में सोच रहे हो और उसके बारे में 10 थॉट आ रहे हैं, ये कर लूँ, वो कर लूँ, ये कर लूँ, मतलब इससे ये होगा. दैट इज कॉन्शियस. यू आर कॉन्शियसली थिंकिंग अबाउट अ सब्जेक्ट. बट योर गट इज मतलब क्या, आप ऐसे ही बैठे हो और अचानक से एक आइडिया आ जाती है और यू आर नॉट इवन थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, यू आर नॉट इवन रिमोटली, बट सडनली यू गॉट सम कि भाई ये कर लो. दैट इज द गट, दैट इज द इंट्यूशन. यस अरुण?
Yeah, mostly it comes in शौचालय.
Actually, why don't you tell them what a little more?
No, it's perfectly fine. Most of our ideas come when in the bathroom. That's for correct. Because they are most peaceful there. But आजकल वहाँ भी public mobile ले जा रही है. So
Exactly.
that's how it's being named. I feel ना शौचालय because you सोचते हैं वहाँ पे.
बराबर है. So basically that at the moment you are relaxed and you are actually not consciously thinking and you get an idea, that's your subconscious mind, that's your gut, that's your intuition. So that's the second power of the subconscious mind. And we have a little more to discuss. So Arun, I think you should take over because then we will run short of time otherwise.
Yeah. So Amay, can you give me, make me a host so that I can share some screen, because I want to explain them with a diagram about the Watchman thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah. So, I hope people can see this whiteboard. So Amay, you very correctly said, the intuition, the inner guidance system or the inner GPS guides us towards our goal. So I'll just try to explain to you how this any thought goes into subconscious mind, because हमें अगर वो subconscious की 90% power को use करना है तो actually it has to go, the thought has to go to our subconscious mind. So our conscious mind acts as a watchman और वो गेट पे खड़ा है. So अगर मैं ऐसी कुछ सोचता हूँ कि जैसे I want to earn 5 crore a month from next month, so क्या होगा मैं कि वो सोच कहीं ना कहीं मैं उस पर भरोसा नहीं रखता हूँ, I don't believe that. तो क्या होगा कि वो सबकॉन्शियस एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करेगा, और जब एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करेगा तो कैसे वो मैं मैनिफेस्ट कर पाऊंगा, है ना? So Amay, can you see the diagram?
Yes, absolutely. We can see the diagram.
Okay, so as we discussed, this 10% power is our subconscious power, subconscious mind, and this 90% is our the 10% is the conscious mind, and the 90% is subconscious mind. And यहाँ पे ना एक गेट है, यहाँ पे एक गेट है, because अगर डायग्राम से मेरे को समझना बहुत आसान हो गया, so I am hoping कि जो लोग देख रहे हैं उन्हें भी समझने के लिए आसान हो जाएगा कि how this things work. So अभी कोई भी एक, जैसे यहाँ पे आई थिंक कि मुझे अपनी सैलरी डबल करनी है नेक्स्ट मंथ, तो एक सोच है, ठीक है, और इट हैज टू पास थ्रू दिस गेट. अभी यहाँ वॉचमैन है, सो अभी वॉचमैन को दो ही तरीके से कन्विंस करके, या फिर मैं दो ही तरीके से सबकॉन्शियस में एंटर कर सकता हूँ, या तो मैं वॉचमैन को कन्विंस कर लूँ या फिर उसको बाईपास कर लूँ. ये दो मतलब तरीके से मैं सबकॉन्शियस में जा सकता हूँ. तो अगर मैं कहता हूँ कि मुझे इनकम डबल करनी है नेक्स्ट मंथ और मैं उस पर भरोसा नहीं करता हूँ, इफ आई डोंट बिलीव इन माई सेल्फ, तो ये सोच है ना, ये गेटमैन अपना गेट खुलेगा ही नहीं और ये सब बाहर सीधा रिजेक्ट. So we will not be able to manifest what we want. But if somehow we convince कि भाई ये तेरे लिए अच्छा है, like for me when I said कि मुझे सिक्स पैक एब्स बनानी है, तो इनिशियली नहीं हो पा रहा था because somewhere I didn't believe myself. जब I was struggling to even get up and then exercise, but later on when I believed that कि मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ, that state of mind being on unstoppable, तो क्या हो गया कि I believe now. तो वो सोच मेरी कॉन्शियस माइंड से सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में चली गई। एंड हमारे जैसे तुमने बताया था कि इट्स लाइक अ सीड वी सोन हियर, और उसको पेड़ बनना ही है। आई मीन इट्स नॉट माय work, it's a work of the nature, the infinite intelligence which is working within us, you know, our digestion system you can say, or everything which is working inside of us, like a heart which keeps on beating from mother's womb till we die. It's not your or my, you know, काम, ये infinite intelligence का काम है. So similarly कोई भी goal है, if we are able to convince the conscious mind कि yes I am good for you, and you know जो चाहिए वो achievable है, तो वो subconscious में चला जाता है, and there things start to get manifest. I hope I am clear, am I here?
Exactly. So what Arun explained is perfect. मतलब कि अगर आप कोई एक गोल रखते हो या कुछ डिसाइड करते हो, वो क्यों नहीं होता है? मतलब हम लोग बोलते हैं कि भाई मैंने तो ये चाहा था कि भाई मुझे ये 100 करोड़ रुपए चाहिए या 1 करोड़ रुपए चाहिए या जो भी है, मुझे एकदम चाहिए, बट व्हाई डज इट नॉट हैपन? It's because for the subconscious mind to work, okay, for the ability to actually get manifested, it has to first pass through a gate. So conscious mind has to accept. So that is why when we will be talking about goals in the future, but goal setting is going to be a different session. We talk about smart goals, how they have to be relevant and they have to be real time. मतलब you have to believe that yes, this goal is possible. तो होने वाला है. अगर आपको पता है कि भाई ये गोल एक्चुअली फैंटेसी है, your mind has some limitations also then, because your conscious mind will stop the function of the subconscious mind.
Yeah,
It will not allow that command to go in.
Yeah, man. You know, this diagram, this diagram where I made this conscious mind and subconscious mind. So when we are very anxious, stressed, तो gate तो automatically बंद हो गया ना, because पूरा, you know, we are struggling to think even straight. That's how people get into depression, stress, and then eventually some people suicide. Very unfortunate. So this is things happen because your conscious mind becomes so active, so stressed out कि कोई you're not able to think straight. चीजें कुछ subconscious में जा ही नहीं रही हैं. That's how this problem. So Amay, I'll just continue with there's one more I have to tell about the
Sure.
power of our conscious mind is the IQ. All my school days I've been thinking कि यार मेरा IQ शायद थोड़ा कम है. So intelligent quotient का जो power है, it is the power of conscious mind. All the knowledge of the outside world, like who's the prime minister, who is the president, और बहुत सारी ऐसे information engineering, पेंटिंग की हमें की ये सारी जितने भी चीजें हैं, ये सारी इंटेलिजेंट क्वेश्चन. सो ये पावर है कॉन्शियस माइंड की कि कितना नॉलेज हम लोग ले सकते हैं, हम कितने इंटेलिजेंट बन सकते हैं, द नॉलेज ऑफ द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड, है ना हमें. सो मेनी मेरे को खाली यहाँ पे एक ही चीज लगता है कि अगर IQ इम्पोर्टेंट होता हमें, तो सचिन तेंदुलकर, मुझे हमेशा इनका एग्जांपल देना पड़ता है, who is actually 10th pass and he is able to achieve whatever anyone can dream of. मतलब इतना कुछ उन्होंने हासिल किया जीवन में. All the football players you see, Lionel Messi हो गया, he comes from such a poor background और इतना आके बड़ा. अभी तो I saw एक documentary by what cars he have. So मैं वही देख रहा हूँ कि मतलब IQ plays a role. It's not that IQ doesn't play a role, but it is finite. I feel कि थोड़ा सा उसमें उसके अलावा ही बहुत कुछ चाहिए हमें. अगर इंटेलिजेंट होना ही सिर्फ होता तो एक CCD का कुछ साल पहले हम लोग ने न्यूज देखा था, CCD का उन्होंने सुसाइड कर लिया. मतलब IIT वाले बंदा था, वो सुसाइड कर लिया. ही इज इंटेलिजेंट ना. तो अगर इंटेलिजेंट होने से ही सब कुछ हो जाता, तो फिर हम लोग all the people who have less IQ, शायद मुझे लगता था मेरा भी less IQ है, but I am above all this now कि IQ is okay, it's important, but it's something more. So the conscious mind का जो है, this IQ, I mean the power of the conscious mind कि intelligent हम लोग कितना हो सकते हैं. Amar, I'm sure you have something better to tell us about the power of subconscious mind with respect to.
Exactly, Arun. Basically, the conscious mind is concerned with reality. Okay, so all the real facts, हम लोग जब पढ़ाई करते. Now I was always into academics. मतलब I have always been a very studious person. पढ़ाई पढ़ाई पढ़ाई. Okay, मतलब मेरे को रैंक लाना सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट था. So I actually focus a lot on the IQ. And you know, over the years, I realized that IQ is not everything यार. मतलब ठीक है मैं बहुत पढ़ लेता, बहुत मार्क्स अचीव कर लेता, but आगे क्या? In school, unfortunately, I would say that we are not taught life. We are not taught how to face situations. We are not taught how to handle the practical, you know, problems in the real world. Because it's, I don't know, it's not taught, you know, it's actually not taught. Life skills are not taught. The ability to actually face a situation, you know, to turn a challenge into an opportunity. बोलते ना मतलब कुछ आया अपने सामने, either you know completely bend down against it or you overcome it. ये जो overcome करने की ability है, the power to face the situation, this is emotional intelligence. Okay, so this emotional intelligence is with the subconscious mind. So when you start working with your subconscious mind, you start actually learning how to use it. You're able to face situations much better. And we are going to be talking much more in detail, like I just told you before, when we talk about limiting beliefs. मतलब why हम लोग अटक क्यों जाते हैं, हम लोग जो आगे बढ़ना चाहिए क्यों अटक जाते हैं. Now I have done dentistry, I'm doing a second master's, मतलब because I felt something inside from me. I felt this passion that I wanted to do something more. It came from inside. It's not a conscious decision कि मेरे को करना है because I need the degree. I am very happy. Dentistry is sufficient for me. But that inner passion to do something more, you know, to understand the mind, why I'm doing psychology. Because I realized that emotional intelligence is so much important, you know, why people go through all this crisis. So it's all about emotional intelligence and it's connected to your subconscious mind. And we will be talking much more about it in the detail. The second thing is understanding something called as the spiritual quotient. You know, Abhi, this may be a little off topic, guys, for some of you, or maybe, I don't know, if it's connecting, then it's awesome. But हम लोग जब बोलते हैं ना कि everything is energy, you know, call you, even if you know go to the microscopic level, even non-living things are energy and even living things are energy. If everything is energy, okay, so there is something that is beyond us, an understanding that is beyond us, and that understanding also occurs to the subconscious mind. That is about the spiritual quotient. Okay, Arun, I don't think we should go into too much detail now. It's quite in the beginning, but I just wanted to at least let people know that this is the power of the subconscious mind.
Yeah, Amay, I would like to add something there. EQ, emotional quotient. You know, मुझे थोड़ा सा इसलिए याद आ गया because you know अगर ऐसा होता है ना, कई बार हम लोग बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं, तो हम लोग ऐसा ना करें कि 10 लाख का चेक फाड़ के दे दिया. So that's the to be कि इमोशनली इंटेलिजेंट उसी को कहते हैं जो कि अपने इमोशंस को कंट्रोल करता है. जैसे गुस्सा है, किसी चीज को गुस्सा आ रहा है, सो यू हैव टू एसोसिएट अपना डिसोसिएट विद एंगर. यू आर फीलिंग एंगर, है ना, तो यू हैव कंट्रोल. अगर आप कंट्रोल कर रहे हो अपने एंगर को, मीन्स कि यू आर एक्चुअली इमोशनली स्ट्रांग और इमोशनली इंटेलिजेंट, ताकि आप कुछ ऐसा एक्शन ना ले लो जिसकी वजह से आप प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हो जाए. और अभी खुश हो तो इतना खुश मत हो जाओ कि सारी प्रॉपर्टी किसी के नाम कर दो. सो दैट्स बीइंग इमोशनली इंटेलिजेंट, है ना. एंगर और एनी स्ट्रेस्ड हो तो इतना ज्यादा स्ट्रेस ना हो कि आप हैंडल नहीं कर पा रहे सिचुएशन को. एग्जाम से पहले मुझे याद है इतनी एंग्जाइटी होती थी कि साला जो पढ़ा है वो ही भूल जाते थे हमें.
बराबर है.
So that's being an emotional intelligent. Yeah,
I think that's Arun. That's exactly right. मतलब knowing that you are not your emotion and you have control over your emotions, you know, it works through your subconscious mind. So another power which I mean I think we should just mention is, you know, it's actually said that it is also connected to your subconscious mind are extra sensory powers. मतलब ऐसे बोलते हैं ना telepathy या मतलब objects को करने का telekinesis. Now, this is of course at a much higher plane, but it is also considered that psychic powers occur through the subconscious mind. So, you know, the conscious need to be working in harmony if you want to achieve things, or you want to overcome something, or you want to succeed. Unless both of them actually come together, we are always going to have some amount of limitations. So that is what we want to, what Arun and I think, want to focus on, how we should be aware and then let it go. Okay, we need to have certain awareness कि भाई ये हो रहा है, इतना किया, उसके बाद कैसे उसको we start understanding how nature or the divine forces are working beyond us. So Arun, why don't you now conclude the session and I think we should be done for the day.
Very true, Amay. Yeah, that's how when we talked about SQ, we didn't go into the detail because I don't know, people may not find it relative. But it actually, I feel personally, this body is so much powerful. Yeah, it's working. Humans, I feel, is the best creature on the earth. I hope you know जो मैं कह रहा हूँ वो समझ रहे हो, क्योंकि इंसान को देखो लिमिटेशंस है, आई मीन सॉरी, जानवरों को और पक्षियों को बहुत सारी लिमिटेशंस है, हमें तो कुछ भी लिमिटेशन नहीं है, वी आर एक्चुअली वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, है ना। और जब हम इतने इंटेलिजेंट है तो, और हम में से कुछ लोग ऐसा कर रहे हैं, लाइक सचिन और बिल गेट्स और जो एप्पल का फाउंडर थे, तो ये लोग ने हम में से कुछ किया ना, हम ही लोग में से निकल के गए हैं। सो अगर वो कुछ अचीव कर पा रहे हैं, सो लाइक आर विच वी हैव स्टडीड हियर और विच आर ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन हियर कि वो लोग ने किया है, तो वो कुछ अलग नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो यही सब है। दे आर एक्चुअली यूजिंग द पावर्स ऑफ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, अपने कॉन्शियस माइंड और सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को खाली उन्होंने एक पेज पे लाके रखा हुआ है। दे एक्चुअली कनेक्टेड, द गेट विच यू टॉक्ड अबाउट, इट कनेक्टेड, दे एक्चुअली सोइंग द सीड, they're entering into their subconscious mind and sowing the seed what they want, they're entering subconscious mind through the gate and sowing the seed, that's all we have to do, अपने को जब ये करना है। एंड हमें हमने एक एग्जांपल बताया द मैग्नेट्स वाला, जहाँ पे ही सेड टू रिलैक्स। सो जितना हम रिलैक्स होते हैं, एक टिप मैं यहाँ पे ऐसे दे रहा हूँ, जितना हम रिलैक्स रहते हैं उतना ही हम अपने सबकॉन्शियस से कनेक्टेड रहते हैं, है ना। सो अब उसी में अपने को तभी क्या होता है, वी बिकम माइंडफुल, हम अपने थॉट्स जो है उसके बारे में सोच सकते हैं। मतलब हमें क्या लगता है कि हम हमारी सोच है, बट वी आर नॉट आवर थॉट्स, ज्यादा हो जाएगा हमें लेट्स जस्ट नॉट डू दिस, बट या वी आर नॉट आवर थॉट्स, वी हैव अ थॉट। तो अगर हम माइंडफुल हैं तो हमें मालूम है कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है, व्हाट्स अ पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग, व्हाट्स अ नेगेटिव थिंकिंग, व्हाट्स गुड फॉर मी एंड व्हाट्स बैड फॉर मी, है ना। हमें so that's how I mean, let's get some questions if people have.
Yeah, if there are any questions, guys, we'll take it. Then we'll be concluding the session soon. So if there are any questions, then we'll be happy to answer them. And we have a lot more coming up in our future webinars where we are going to be talking about this limiting beliefs, how emotions occur, how emotions shape our life, law of attraction, how it affects your health, everything. We're going to have a lot of topics coming in. So please keep following us. Tell your friends, if you all have not seen our lives earlier, please do that. Share our lives. We'd love to, get some feedback from you all also. Okay, are you all enjoying? Do you all need some changes? What is happening, So please give us a feedback, and we'll end the session with some questions. So guys, if you all have any questions, we'll love to take them now. Otherwise, we will see you next Tuesday at 8 p.m.
From next time onward, I feel that visualization हम कराते हैं so that people get connected.
Let's do that. Guys, next week please come in for a visualization exercise. Actually, we want to do art also, but then I think timing was also a little bit difficult to manage. But yeah, let's figure out for sure. All right, Arun, so I think we don't have any questions. Thank you.
हमारे जो viewers हैं बहुत smart है, they actually understood what we're trying. There's no question. I'm so glad, yeah.
I hope we are teaching good enough कि उनको समझ में आ रहा है.
Yes, I have no doubts. See, मुझे लगता है कि अगर हम ही नहीं समझे होते तो शायद मुश्किल होता. But since we're using our subconscious mind or gone through some intense training, so I feel कि what we're trying to make people understand, they're getting it for sure.
Thank you everybody who's joined in today. Yeah, thank you again to all the participants and the viewers for encouraging all your comments or ये सब हम लोग को it motivates us to do better. So thank you once again.
Thank you so much. Arun, yeah, thank you, man,
for being here.
Yeah, it was a great.
All right, guys. Session. I think we'll call it a night. And so bye bye. Take care. Good night. And I'll see you. We will see you. next
Yeah,
week.
please do join us next Tuesday 8 p.m. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
Bye
Bye bye.
bye.
Take care.